In today's video, I'm going to teach you guide how to remove Edit with Base44 badge, remove watermark. If you've published an app with Base44 and you're seeing the Edit with Base44 badge or watermark on your live site, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to hide it. We'll start by confirming where the badge appears, then move into your Base44 workspace to change the setting that controls its visibility, and finally review the plan requirement that enables this option. Begin by opening your published app in a browser. Take a quick look around the interface and locate the Edit with Base44 badge so you know what you're removing. Noting its location now will make it easier to confirm the change later. Next, head to your Base44 workspace for that app. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to edit the app. Once you're in, go to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, and from here, you'll find all the configuration tools you need. From the dashboard, open Settings. Inside Settings, choose App Settings. This is where Base44 groups key configuration options that affect what shows up in your published app. Look for the option labeled Platform Badge or a similarly named setting that controls the Base44 branding. Change this setting to Hidden. This toggle determines whether the Edit with Base44 watermark is displayed on your app. Setting it to Hidden instructs Base44 not to render that badge on your live pages. If you notice that the platform badge control is disabled, or you see a prompt indicating that hiding the badge requires a plan change, select Upgrade Your Plan. This will take you to Billing. In Billing, choose the Builder plan. Hiding the Edit with Base44 watermark requires at least the Builder plan or higher. This is a platform requirement, and upgrading unlocks the ability to keep the badge hidden. Once that plan is active and the setting is available, the hidden option will take effect and the watermark will no longer appear on your live app. Depending on caching and deployment settings, it may take a short moment for the change to propagate. If your app uses a content delivery network, allow a little time for the servers to update. That's it. You open the published app to identify the badge, navigated to your Base44 workspace and dashboard, went into Settings and App Settings, set the platform badge to Hidden, and if needed, upgraded to the Builder plan to enable that option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you present a clean